Have you ever wondered about the power of mulching in your garden? Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the magic of mulching. It's a simple process, but one that holds immense significance in the world of gardening. We will answer your burning questions about mulch types, its application, and why those fallen leaves are far from being waste. Often misunderstood, mulching is a gardener's secret weapon, and we're here to debunk the myths and misconceptions. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of mulching. So, why should you consider mulching? And what exactly is mulch? Well, mulching is a gardening practice that comes with a host of benefits. It's like giving your garden a health boost, a layer of protection, and a beauty treatment all in one. One of the key benefits of mulching is moisture retention. In a world where water conservation is increasingly important, mulch helps your garden hold on to that precious moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. But that's not all. Mulching also offers an effective and natural method of weed control. By blocking sunlight, mulch prevents weed seeds from sprouting, saving you the backbreaking work of weeding. Here's another perk to consider. Mulch is a natural soil improver. Over time, organic mulch breaks down and enriches your soil with nutrients, promoting healthier plant growth. Now, let's talk about what mulch is. In simple terms, mulch is a protective layer of organic material spread over the surface of your soil. It could be leaves, straw, wood chips, or even compost. Each type has its own benefits and is best suited for certain applications. For example, wood chips are often used in ornamental gardens, while straw is a favorite for vegetable gardens. Now that we know why mulching is essential and what it is, let's move on to how you can incorporate it into your gardening routine. Are you ready to step into the shoes of a master gardener? It's time to learn the step-by-step process of mulching. Choosing the right mulch is the first step in this green thumb journey. Organic mulches, such as compost, straw, and wood chips, are popular choices because they break down over time, enriching your soil with nutrients. On the other hand, inorganic mulches like gravel or rubber chips are more durable and require less maintenance, but they do not contribute to your soil's fertility. Now, timing is everything. Mulching is best done in early spring or late autumn when the soil is relatively warm and moist. These conditions allow the mulch to integrate seamlessly into your garden, doing its magic as the seasons change. Next comes the application. Begin by clearing the area of any weeds, as mulch can inadvertently provide a cozy home for these unwelcome guests. Then apply a layer of mulch approximately 2 to 4 inches thick. Remember, less is more. If the layer is too thick, it can prevent water and air from reaching the plant roots, which is not what we want. When applying mulch, be careful not to pile it against the stems and trunks of your plants. This common mistake, often called volcano mulching, can lead to rot and invite pests. Instead, leave a small gap around the base of each plant to ensure they breathe easy. And what about those garden paths? Well, they deserve some love too. A layer of mulch can suppress weeds and make your paths look neat and tidy. But here you might consider using inorganic mulch. It's more walkable and won't decompose into the path over time. Finally, remember to replenish your mulch as it decomposes. This is especially important with organic mulches, which break down and enrich your soil over time. Replenishing your mulch will ensure your garden stays protected and nutrient-rich. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to supercharge your garden's health and productivity. Before we wrap up, let's debunk a common myth. Should you throw away leaves? In the grand scheme of gardening, leaves are a treasure trove of benefits, not to be discarded, but to be used wisely. Picture this: a blanket of leaves on your garden bed, slowly decomposing, providing a steady stream of nutrients to your beloved plants. Leaves, my friends, are nature's own mulch. They are rich in carbon, and when shredded, they break down to enrich the soil with organic matter, improving its structure, water retention, and nutrient content. What's more, they are absolutely free. No need to shell out money for store-bought mulch when you've got leaves falling right in your backyard. Also, they create a favorable habitat for beneficial insects and microorganisms, promoting a healthy ecosystem in your garden. So, next time you rake up those autumn leaves, remember, they're not waste, they're gold for your garden. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Mulching is a mighty gardening ally, offering numerous benefits such as moisture retention, weed suppression, and soil enrichment. The types of mulch are varied, from wood chips to straw and beyond. The process involves spreading a layer on the soil surface. Don't forget the power of leaves, nature's very own mulch, often overlooked but incredibly beneficial. Remember, mulching is a simple yet powerful tool in your gardening arsenal. Happy gardening!